I grabbed this rabbit napkin, little Easter napkin from Christmas Tree Shop, and I had this little wooden tag that I wanted to decoupage a portion of the rabbit to this tag. So I'm basically just cutting out the size that I know that will fit. So with a foam brush and some Wise Owl varnish, I applied the varnish to the wooden tag and laid my napkin onto the tag and just gently dabbed it till, some of the wrinkles came out. And then I added another layer of the varnish. Now this made my edges pretty thin, so I was able to just tear the edges off while it was wet. And I used a nail to put a hole through the eye of the tag. Now I found this bouquet at Walmart for $5. I love their flowers because they're very inexpensive. And this 6 plastic eggs from Dollar Tree and some grass. I placed the eggs in the bottom of this glass vase and put a little grass on top. And with some jute, I was able to tie the jute around the neck of the jar and weaving my tag through this jute so it was able to hang. I wrapped it several times and was able to create a small bow. Now the bouquet, I had cut all the stems off. It was easier to arrange them kind of the way I wanted to, and I had to make my stems a little shorter anyway. And the grass just really helped the flower stand. So this is just a nice, cute centerpiece for Easter. If you enjoyed this video, check us out on YouTube, chalkitupfancy.com.